Here is the chart section of the report. This section contains the monthly overview of the profit and loss items like sales, purchase, direct expense, direct income, indirect expense and indirect income. Suppose when we want to see only sales, then just click on the sales column in the table and then all the text boxes show no data except the sales text box. If we want to see the monthly figure, then click on that month. The report will show only figures related to that column only. Now we move to the next section of the report, that is party ledger section. In this section, we can see the transaction of any party ledger. We can use the date filter to see the transaction of a specific period. Now move to the next section of the report, that is top 10 expenses. In this section, we can see the top 10 monthly expenses in the table and the pie chart shows the percentage of the expenses. When we click any graphical charts, then filter all the data accordingly. This will help to reduce the unnecessary major expenses incurred in the company. Now move to the next section of report, that is top 10 details. This section shows the top 10 customer and supplier names according to the sales and purchase invoice values. We can see the top 10 customers and suppliers for a specific period by using a date filter. When we applied the date filter, then show the top 10 customers and suppliers in that specific period. If we want to see the amount of a customer and supplier in the pie chart, then simply click on that and the pie chart shows the sale and purchase value according to the date period selected. This section is very helpful in season products because we can see the top 10 customers and suppliers according to the seasonal period selected. Suppose while analyzing top 10 customers and suppliers, we want to see the details of invoices related to any customer and supplier. So, for solving this problem, we can move to the Partywise bills section of the report. In the Partywise bills section, we can see the details of all invoices based on the party ledger along with their outstanding balance. Simply select the ledger of party which you want to see the details of invoices. We can filter the data according to the sales and purchase voucher. Now one problem is created here. We can see the details of invoices from here, but if we want a total of the particular party ledger, so can we calculate in a calculator? The answer is simply big no. Just simply click on the party ledger and total amount related to the selected party will be shown in the bill amount text box. Now we move to the very interesting area of this section. Suppose we want to see the aging report of the selected party ledger also. So, for solving this issue, right-click on the outstanding pie chart and click on the drill down option and see the magic of the report. Pie chart shows the aging report of the selected party ledger. Now we move to the next interesting section of the report, that is receivable. In this section, we can determine the total outstanding balance pending with the customer. Aging will be available in other sections also, but their aging analysis will be done for the selected party ledger. Here is the overview of all the customers' aging analysis. Same as other sections of report, this section also filters the data according to the selected data, or we can see the aging analysis for a specific period also by applying the date filter. Same report available for their payable also, where we can see the overview of the supplier aging. Now move to the next section of report, which is related to their receivable report, that is debtors aging. This section contains the Partywise table of aging for analysis. Same as creditors' aging report will be there for analyzing the Partywise supplier aging. Now we further move an interesting section of the report, that is pending bills. In previous sections we determined the outstanding balance according to the Partywise, but if we want a report of all the outstanding bills for then this section will be helpful in this situation. Suppose when you send the reminder to the customer for payment, then your customer asks for the invoice's details which will be outstanding for payment. Then this report will help to ascertain the outstanding invoice numbers. Now move to the last section of the report, that is a voucher entry. This section is used for checking the mistakes in entry, or when we have doubts in any entry. Then in that situation we can see the entry through the voucher entry section by applying the relevant filters.
Ready to transform your business? Contact us today. Call 971-680-4520. Email sumitgarg100000@gmail.com. Unlock the power of data with our MIS service. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to ask.